Hello, my name is Don Burnside with Axway. Today we're going to show you how to sync your files using Syncplicity on Windows 10. To get started using Syncplicity, you're going to want to add some of your data to your Syncplicity account. There's a few ways to do that. We're going to discuss two of those now. If you've got the Windows desktop client, it's easy to figure out if you do, so I'm going to show you how, is you can right-click any folder, go to Syncplicity, and choose Add to Syncplicity. Once you've done that, you're going to see the notification here on the bottom right corner of the screen, and you're going to get this little sync icon here. If we were to open the folder, you'll see all of the data inside of that folder is also showing sync icons. Those icons will change from a sync icon to a green arrow icon once the sync is complete. And you'll see that all this data is now in your Syncplicity account. Well, it's actually my Syncplicity account, but you know what I mean. And we can verify that by opening our Syncplicity app on the desktop. We can go ahead and click on this up arrow here, go to our Syncplicity icon here, and we can go into Manage. Here you're going to see our Awesome Project folder, and if we double click that, it's just going to take us right to our Awesome Project data. We can also check this online. We're going to do that first. We're going to go and close out of our Manage screen. We're going to call our Syncplicity application again, and we're going to click Online. And here you're going to see here's our Awesome Project folder, and if we click on it, here is all of our Awesome Project data. All of it is in your Syncplicity account. Another way to add data to your Syncplicity account is if you've got your online file browser open, you can take a folder, we'll grab this Epic Data folder for example, and we can just drag it right in to our Syncplicity. And you're going to notice here it's going to start uploading automatically. You're going to notice here that now we have another folder to sync, and it's because this folder, since we dragged it from our desktop to our online file browser, it's going to want to put it into our Syncplicity folder. So if you want this if you want access to this, what we're going to do is we're going to click Sync Now, just like that. And it's complete. Now we can also look at this in our Syncplicity app by again clicking on our up arrow, going to the Syncplicity application and clicking Manage. And then here is our Epic Data. So you can also use Syncplicity as a backup. This is a really nice feature since everything's stored in the cloud. So here we have our Awesome Project. Here we have our Awesome Project. You'll notice we have this button here in the Syncplicity Windows application that says Stop Synchronization. So if we click Stop Synchronization, you'll notice that the check mark goes away here, check mark goes away here. And then if we were to delete that folder, and now it's gone, it's in our recycle bin, but we're going to empty our recycle bin because we're crazy. But we still have access to this. If we double click it, it's going to want us to go ahead and we can sync it again, or we can keep it in the cloud only. But if we hit Sync Now, it's going to pull that down, and if we go into our Syncplicity folder, we're going to see here's our Awesome Project. Right back almost where we started. So imagine that happening after your computer your hard drive crashed, or your computer caught on fire and you had to get a new one. Since everything's in the cloud, it comes right back into your Syncplicity folder just like it never left. That is syncing with Syncplicity.